Jewel, ever wonder why some people build wealth while others drown in debt, even when they earn the same salary? It's wild. Truth is, money doesn't change you. It exposes you. If you're reckless, more cash equals bigger mess. If you're wise, it amplifies your impact. Today, I'm sharing the 5 game changers that flipped my financial life upside down. Call it the ugly truth about money. 5 principles that actually build wealth, not just bank accounts. Principle 1. Budget like a CEO, even if you're broke. Look, budgeting sounds like prison. But what if I told you it's your get-out-of-jail-free card? Your money's like a business. If your CFO, aka you, was this sloppy with company cash, you'd fire your ass. Stop living paycheck to paycheck on autopilot. Grab your phone right now and track one day of spending. Not tomorrow. Today. That $4 coffee? That just this once Uber? It adds up. Clarity equals power. You're not restricting freedom. You're creating it. Principle 2. Murder your debt. It's quiet slavery. Debt isn't just numbers. It's trading chunks of your life. Every credit card payment, that's hours you worked for past you's bad decisions. That finance couch you never sit on, that's your future vacation. Harsh truth, you can't build wealth paying interest to strangers. Stop digging. Today, freeze the cards. Eat beans and rice if you gotta. Attack the smallest debt first. Crush it. Taste that win. Momentum is fuel. Debt freedom isn't nice. It's non-negotiable. Principle 3. Upgrade your tribe. Your friends are your net worth. Ever notice? Hang with broke complainers? You start stressing about $20. Chill with savers and investors? You start asking, how can I make this work? Your inner circle is your financial destiny. This isn't about dumping friends. It's about awareness. Who are your top 5? Do they lift you or drain you? Find people who talk assets, not just expenses. Join a free investing Discord. Listen to a money podcast. Environment eats willpower for breakfast. Principle 4. Pay future you first before your bills even hit. Save what's left is a poverty trap. Future you isn't a priority. Future you is an emergency. That reserve fund everyone mocks. It's your armor. Car blows up. Medical bill. Life punches. No reserve equals debt spiral. Start brutal. $20 a paycheck. Auto transfer it before you see it. Build to 1 month of bills. Then 3. Then 6. This isn't money. It's oxygen. And investing? Start with $5 in a low-cost index fund. Time is your superpower. Don't wait for enough. Start with crumbs. Principle 5. Give when it hurts. Yes, seriously. This one feels backwards. I'm broke. Why give money away? Because generosity rewires your scarcity brain. Giving $5 when you've got $50 proves money doesn't own you. It shuts down that greedy goblin whispering more. Mine. Donate time. Buy coffee for someone struggling. Tip extra. Generosity isn't about the recipient. It's about you. It builds abundance muscle. Money becomes a tool, not a god. This isn't about lumbos. It's about owning your time, your choices, your peace. Start today. Track one day. Kill one debt. Text one money-smart friend. Save $10. Give $5. Small steps crush big fears. If this hit home, subscribe. Every click tells me, keep going. This channel? It's our rebellion against financial chaos. Want to fuel this movement? Patreon links in the description. If you can throw in coffee money, you're not just supporting me. You're funding a financial revolution. To everyone already in the trenches with me, you're legends. This doesn't happen without you. Now go. Become the person money can't corrupt. Only amplify. Catch you next time.